I'm the fourth generation on this farm. When I was in my early teens, the hedges were cut very short. Every ditch was dug out, but that's actually very valuable habitat.
The idea that healthy food needs to be grown in a healthy environment has been part of the Jordan's DNA from the very start. And for decades, we've been working with our farmers to create wildlife, rich and friendly habitats. The Jordan's Farm Partnership is a pioneering collaboration between ourselves, the Wildlife Trust, LEAF and the Prince's Countryside Fund to focus on sustainability across our entire UK farm supply chain. It is a holistic approach to sustainability across the partners, and it's one that we're really proud of.
So we've cultivated up this plot here specifically to help the woodlarks breed.
I've heard 3 males singing this morning. That's really good news. Habitat management is challenging. The farmer needs to actually provide those habitats. They're sown habitats. Pollen and nectar plots, wild bird food plots, hedgerows. They need to be looked after with as much care, really, as the crops.
We've got this plot where we're trying to provide as much food as we can for pollinators, all the bugs.
See the clovers and things?
That'll be up to here.
Yeah.
I had always felt that if nature is doing well around us, then we're probably doing something right for the crops we're growing. There's no reason that we can't have conservation going on right next to efficient food production.
The LEAF Mark provides a management framework to achieve a high standard of soil health, decarbonisation, water quality, whilst also boosting productivity and benefiting the environment.
If we're wanting to reverse the declines in biodiversity, but it's a long-term commitment.
I'm fortunate in that what I do, I absolutely love. So this time of year is actually a good time to see tadpoles. That's always a good sign of a nice, healthy pond. I have worked with the Prince's Countryside Fund, mentoring some students. Farming has huge, huge challenges. The important thing is to educate the next generation so that there is more awareness of habitat and sustainability. I love seeing the seasons. I love seeing the farm grow and looking for ways that we can improve the environment that we're in and the business we want to drive forward.